In this episode, we are going to talk about how to add the third IPC by ONVIF protocol. Log into NDR and go to the camera menu. Change the add mode to IP address and protocol to ONVIF. Enter the IP address of the IPC. The port number of the ONVIF. Enter the ONVIF authentication username and password. Click OK and wait for a second. If the IPC is online, the status color will turn to blue. Now we can see the camera has been added successfully.